Imagine ditching your laptop for a single device that tackles all your tasks. The latest iPad Pro and iPad Air 2024 models are powerhouses on their own, but with the right accessories, they can transform into a full-fledged laptop replacement. This lets you travel lighter and stay productive wherever you go. So in this video, we got you covered with 7 must-have accessories for your new iPad Pro M4. The 2024 Apple Magic Keyboard represents a strategic evolution in the iPad Pro and Air's capabilities, particularly for professional users. This redesigned peripheral transcends the realm of a mere accessory, transforming these tablets into viable laptop replacements. The refined keyboard boasts enhanced responsiveness and accuracy, mirroring the familiar typing experience of traditional laptops and facilitating faster data entry. A larger trackpad with haptic feedback enhances user interaction and navigation, mirroring the intuitive control one expects from a professional device. Furthermore, dedicated function keys streamline workflows by providing convenient control over frequently used actions. The Magic Keyboard's foldable design offers comprehensive front and back protection for the iPad when not in use, maintaining a thin and lightweight profile ideal for on-the-go professionals. The premium aluminum construction reinforces a professional aesthetic, though the incorporation of a dedicated slot for the Apple Pencil would further optimize the user experience. Unleash the full potential of your iPad Pro M4 with the ESR Rotating Case. This ingenious design seamlessly adapts to your every need. Wide, secure brackets provide unwavering stability, even when using your iPad on your lap. Enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience with the raised angle, reducing neck strain during long sessions. The magic of magnetics allows you to find your perfect position with 9 viewing and writing angles. Need to switch gears? Simply detach the case for hands-on gaming, or magnetically attach it to your fridge for a convenient drawing surface. The dual-layer design offers complete protection. Snap on the lightweight back case for the everyday defense, then magnetically add the tough front cover for a full 360-degree shield. Work, play, and create with freedom. The ESR Rotating Case has you covered. The 2024 Apple Pencil Pro redefines the digital pen experience for creative professionals and note-takers. This sleek, pen-shaped instrument transcends a traditional stylus, offering superior control and functionality. Gone are the days of sluggish response. The improved latency ensures your strokes appear instantaneously, while enhanced pressure sensitivity mimics the natural feel of writing or sketching. Unleash your inner artist with tilt functionality for realistic shading effects, or seamlessly mark up documents and edit photos with intuitive gestures like hover, double tap, and the innovative barrel roll feature. Palm rejection technology ensures your work remains uninterrupted, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. The Apple Pencil Pro isn't just a pen for your iPad. It's a gateway to boundless creative potential. Enhance your iPad productivity with the Plugable 8-in-1 USBC Stand dock. This innovative solution seamlessly integrates a fully adjustable stand with a comprehensive USB-C hub, fostering a desktop-like experience for mobile users. The stand's double-hinge design enables precise positioning for optimal viewing and camera angles, promoting ergonomic comfort during presentations or video conferencing. The integrated hub empowers you to expand your iPad's functionality. Connect an external monitor via HDMI for enhanced visual real estate, utilize USB-A ports for peripherals like a keyboard and mouse, and leverage the SD/microSD card reader for seamless file transfer. Additionally, the 100W pass-through charging ensures uninterrupted workflow by keeping your iPad powered throughout demanding tasks. By consolidating the functionality of a stand, hub, and cables into a single, streamlined unit, the Plugable 8-in-1 USB-C Stand dock elevates your iPad's capabilities and streamlines your mobile workspace. Traveling for a long time and worried about running out of battery? This Mophie portable charger is your perfect companion. With a massive 27,000 mAh capacity, it can power up to 4 devices simultaneously. Need to charge your laptop, phone, tablet, and headphones all at once? No problem. This powerhouse has 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, and even a built-in AC outlet. Plus, it supports fast charging for compatible devices. Don't let the high capacity fool you, though. The slim design makes it easy to pack in your bag. To keep you informed, an LED status meter shows you how much juice is left in the tank. Upgrading to the massive new iPad Pro 13-inch? Don't forget to shield its gorgeous display. This innovative magnetic screen protector is custom-made for a perfect fit. The magic lies in the magnetic edges. They snap on effortlessly for flawless application and detach just as easily when you want to enjoy the bare screen. But this protector goes beyond convenience. Its specially treated surface feels just like paper, making it a dream for artists and note-takers. Worried about installation? The magnetic design makes it bubble-free. Plus, it works seamlessly with ultra-thin, under 0.33 millimeters, tempered glass protectors, offering double the defense against scratches and bumps. This magnetic screen protector is the perfect blend of innovation and protection for your new iPad Pro. Complement your new iPad Pro with the magic of AirPods Pro, 2nd generation. Ditch the wires and dive into immersive sound powered by the Apple-designed H2 chip. This tiny powerhouse delivers richer tones and unparalleled noise cancellation, letting you truly focus or seamlessly transition to awareness with transparency mode. Finding the perfect fit is easy with 4 included silicone tips, ensuring a comfortable, secure seal for extended listening. Worried about the elements? AirPods Pro boast an IP54 rating, shrugging off dust, sweat, and even water splashes. Control your audio experience with intuitive touch controls, adjust volume, manage playback, and answer calls with a simple tap. Plus, AirPods Pro delivers up to 6 hours of listening on a single charge, extending to a remarkable 30 hours with the included MagSafe charging case. This sleek case adds precision finding for peace of mind and supports a variety of charging options for ultimate convenience. Experience the magic of effortless connection, pristine audio, and on-demand awareness. AirPods Pro elevate your iPad Pro experience to a whole new level. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.